In critical moments, it's not the scalpel that decides everything. It's the tiny, precise image from medical equipment that make all the difference. To most people, it might just look like a machine, but for doctors, it's like a second pair of eyes that help them see hope. One scan, one small data error, that could mean the difference between a misdiagnosis and saving a life. In hospitals, labs, and life support system, precision isn't just a technical term. It's a matter of life and death. And precision alone isn't just enough. These devices also have to work reliably over time. They need to handle high heat, resist corrosions, and stay strong under consistent use. If anything goes wrong, even in the smallest part, it could lead to serious consequences. That's why we ask ourselves, what if precision didn't just come at the end during assembly, but was built into the metal itself, right from the moment it's casted? Our answer is Sunrise-Clara. Vacuum cast, a vacuum die casting process. This advanced method fills the aluminum alloy into the mold in a vacuum environment. By removing the air inside the mold, it solves common problems in traditional die casting, like tiny porosity and unwanted particles. In medical equipment, even small internal air pockets can weaken the structure of a part, especially when it's used in high pressure or high stress environments. Vacuum die casting helps reduce this risk by minimizing internal porosity and ensure the material is more compact and reliable from the start. This technology helps reduce internal porosity by more than 20% in many cases, making the material more solid and consistent. That means the parts are denser and hold up better under repeated stress or heavy use. After vacuum die casting, we use our Sunrise-Makino high-precision machining system. It keeps machining tolerance within 5 microns, so every key part fits together with great accuracy. This helps avoid small size mismatches that can add up during assembly. Compared to traditional methods, our system cut down assembly errors by 25%. That's a big step forward, especially for medical parts that need perfect alignment. We also developed a special surface treatment called Sunrise MedCoat. It offers stronger adhesion, harder surface, and better protection against corrosion. So even after long exposure to high temperature, high pressure disinfectants, the coating stays intact. No peeling, no contamination, no drop in performance. Let me share a real story with you. A leading global medical equipment company was working on a new ICU air system. They ran into a serious problem. A tiny sealing gap of just 7.6 micron could cause gas leaks during high load use, which would affect how accurately oxygen is delivered to patients. They tried different traditional manufacturing methods, but nothing could get them both the precision and the consistency they needed. That was until they found Sunrise-Clara. Once they used our vacuum die casting and Sunrise-Makino machining solutions, things changed fast. The pass rate of their parts went up. We used Sunrise, the equipment lifespan increased by 35%, and the failure rate dropped down, meaning fewer repairs and less downtime. But the biggest win It wasn't just about better productions. It means patients could count on safer, more reliable life support when they need it most.